Hello world and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenzie Craig Michaels and thank you so much for joining me today on March the 5th, Thursday of 2020. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel for future uploaded content, which is uploaded on a regular basis, especially this week since I just got the big reveal happening yesterday of Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I got his funky little Bloodlust Collection Pro Artistry palette, which has 17 amazing blendable shades in it. I got the Bloodlust Crown mirror, which is super, super cool, so you can get to see yourself in it. So, please give this video a thumbs up, a like, comment, and let me know if you've tried Jeffree Star Cosmetics or not, and exactly what you like about them, and whether it's a color pigment, whether it's just the fact that it's Jeffree Star who's actually promoting them, or if you just love Jeffree Star in particular. So in particular for me, I just love Jeffree Star. I think he is totally awesome and everything that he does is over the top and fabulous. So you know what? I can only imagine to get to that, point in my life where I'm actually at his point in his life. So I'm just gonna put my Bloodlust mirror down right now. And today, ladies, girls, teenagers, and men, we are going to be creating a look. I have no makeup on right now except for my moisturizer, my eye cream, my repair serum, and all I've done is rim my eyes with a waterproof black eyeliner and waterproof black mascara I put on. So nothing on my eyes, no powder foundation, and no concealer. And that's what we're going to be talking about today, Jeffree Star's concealer. So I'm just going to grab it here, and it's actually called C12, and it's its magic concealer. It just came out. So I'm going to apply it just with the wand to see how it applies, because it's kind of like a doe-footed wand. And we're just going to take it underneath the eye like so. Okay, well, let's just see. Maybe I got a shade that was too light for me, but you know what? I'm always open for lighter shades because we can always customize those as well. So what I'm doing is I'm actually blending it and placing it on the areas where I have redness as well. So yes, I look like a little crazy person right now, but this formula is super, super silky and smooth, and we're just going to actually massage it into underneath the eye area and using the heat from my fingertips blend. And you know what? I barely put any eye cream on and this is blending fabulously. So just on the chin area as well, here underneath the eyes. And you can actually feel the hydration and the moisture in this when I'm applying it. And in comparison to other concealers that are out there on the market, some can be extremely dry on the skin. Oh wow, so it totally opens up your eyes. Totally opens them up. Can you guys see that? Can you see how my eyes are totally opened up right now? And since I have no shadow on, most people do have a little broken capillaries on their eyelids as well. And you know what, I do, so I would probably use it as an eyeshadow base as well. So that being said, we're actually gonna move on to me applying my foundation powder over top of this. So you know what, this color does work for me. It may be a little light, but it does work because I'm gonna be putting a more beigeier color over top. And this product that I'm using right now is the Bobbi Brown Weightless Powder Foundation, which I absolutely adore. It gives my skin a flawless finish. Coming down the neck area, ladies, because some women forget their necks attached to their head. And if you forget your neck's attached to your head, you may go out into public and have some strange looks happening. People may look at you a little strangely and weirdly. So we're applying this all over, down the bridge of the nose, etc. Very, very simple to do. Okay, so that is done. Then what we're actually going to do is use the Vasanti Consulti. I can't speak today. Vasanti, I still can't speak. Vasanti bronzer, and just to chisel into the cheekbone area here as well, just to add a little definition using my Stila brush from Stila Cosmetics. I'm not going to apply any blush today because we're just going to do a simple look for if you're just going out. And you know what? When you're doing makeup, guys, ladies, girls, teenagers, start singing to yourself because makeup's fun. Makeup you should have fun with. You know, it's exciting to do makeup. And you know what? If you're not having fun doing makeup, then there's obviously something wrong with you. I don't mean wrong literally, like mentally or anything like that. Makeup should be fun. You should be able to experiment. You should be able to, you know, have passion for it as well. Okay, so Vasanti is actually on right now. I'm just going to use a little, this is actually Revlon's, and I'm just actually going to blend that down so it doesn't look like I just plopped some Vasanti bronzer onto my cheekbones. And then we have a nice contoured look on either side. So always make sure that you blend. Blend, blend, blend. Blending is the key. So we're going to reviewing now that we actually have our makeup on, we have our Jeffree Star Concealer on, all over the face to reduce redness. Then we also have the powder foundation from Bobbi Brown on as well. And what I'm actually going to do just before that is actually take the Vasanti bronzer again, because I did apply self-tanner yesterday. And I'm going to apply the Vasanti bronzer just down the bridge of my neck as well, and on the forehead, because what I'm noticing is that, and this just could be the camera lights too, is that I do not have an even complexion. And when I say even complexion, I'm referring to the fact that my face looks lighter than the rest of my neck and my shoulders here, where I applied the Saint-Tropez vitamin C and D mist. So if you haven't catch that video, please go on to my YouTube channel, Kenzie Craig Michaels, and check that out as well. Perfect. All right, so we're going to also be talking today about Jeffree Star's 24 karat palette, Pro Artistry palette. And this is wicked. I have no other words to describe it except for that it is absolutely wicked. Look at those shimmer colors. Look at that gold color. So we might use gold today. We might use that chocolate brown color. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do, but we're going to be exploring this palette more in depth later in the week and in early next week as well. We're going to be using multiple colors on the lid as well. Comes with your Funky Nucky mirror as well, so you can see exactly what you're doing for when you're on the go, for the girl on the go, for the boy on the girl, or for the business savvy traveler. So what we're going to do is, I think I'm going to use the Liberace, which is the gold, and I'm going to, which is this one here, the gold. Whoops, you can't even see that. Which is this one here, the gold. And we're going to apply it just on the mobile eyelid. Oh my God, what an amazing color. Jeffree Star, you've outdone yourself so far. So far, I'm impressed. Now with the concealer shade, I was a little disappointed because I tried based on the colors that were on your website to come up with a shade that wasn't too light for my skin tone and a shade that wasn't actually too dark for my skin tone. So, you know, I got probably a shade that was probably 2 or 3 shades lighter, but that's okay because as a pro makeup artist, I know how to blend and I know how to create the look even with a lighter concealer. Wow. Wowzers, look at that color. The pigment is absolutely fantastic. And you know, like I was saying before with my Tom Ford brush, you can line under here to create a really funky look as well. So we're actually going to pick up another brush here, which is going to be the contour brush. And we're going to use Dark Horse, which is this color here, Dark Horse. And we're going to use that right into the crease area like this. And we're just going to accentuate the bone here just underneath the brow bone, circular motions. Now you're probably wondering, like, why does he always wear black eyeliner? Why does he always wear black eyeliner? The reason I wear black eyeliner is because usually the eye cannot distinguish between black and brown. However, I do wear brown eyeliner on occasion, especially for boy makeup, which we'll be discussing how to do like fabulous boy makeup. So it looks like you have nothing on your skin, but you still look fabulous. We'll say gay fabulous. That's my new term, gay fabulous. So, having that on, and when we do the full face of makeup later this week, I'll have a full set of eyelashes on as well. And then that will be another tutorial as well, how to apply eyelashes. Now, it's very challenging to apply them to yourself, so it's best for me to have a model to apply them to, which I will, because it's easier because I'm doing everything backwards when I'm actually applying them on myself. So that being said, we have our shadows on. We're actually going to take a brush and just blend on a 45-degree angle, like so, and blend the two colors together so it doesn't look like plunk, 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 or plunko, whatever that game was called, and blend them together. So we have a nice, bright, summery, fresh look. That's why I'm wearing my tank top. That's why I'm actually wearing this hat. It's a beautiful day here. We're also going to now put on Jeffree Star's Lip Ammunition. Now, this one here is called Champagne Tears. I did actually get two of them. One of them was the brown sugar, and then this one here, which comes in a cute little package like this, in a bullet shape, is called Champagne Tears. Now, if you can actually see this, it's crystallized on the top of it. Can you guys see that, how it's crystallized? I don't know if you can see with the lights, but so when I apply it, what I'm noticing is that because of the crystals in it and the glitter in it, it's very dry on the lips. Now, I do like this, but at the same time, I think I would have to put a clear gloss over top of it to achieve the look that I wanted to achieve. Although, that being said, I just kind of like it by itself too. Just not as hydrating because of the glitter pigments in it. So for me, with the lip ammunition, or maybe I'm just not applying enough of it. Let's just see. Okay, so you have to apply more of this product. And I would probably put one of Jeffree Star's, the gloss, over top of it. So, super cute product, comes in the little bullet shape. And then you would simply add a touch of color of blush to your cheekbones, or the apples of your cheek, or the pillow of your cheek, as I call it. And voila, you have a simple, everyday, you're going down south, you wanna look fresh, you're wearing, your linen pants, you're wearing your white tops, you have your tan on, get your tan on with your Saint Tropez products. Yes, 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 yes. So thank you so much for joining me again. My name is Kenzie Craig Michaels. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know what you think about Jeffree Star Color Cosmetics. I absolutely adore them right now, and the Bloodlust palette is just to die for. So, woohoo! Another day in front of the camera, another day reviewing Jeffree Star products. I'm Kenzie Craig Michaels, your beauty influencer here in Canada. Thank you so much for joining me, and enjoy your Thursday. Cheers, everyone. Tick tock, time's a ticking. Bye.